Bonjour mes étudiants, j'espère que tu vas très bien et moi aussi je vais bien. So welcome back to our French YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to practice l'interrogation, especially for class 10th. In today's video, I have covered few sentences which will be a little high level. So easy ones you've already done. Today I've also included, if you can see on my board, I've included some pronouns. You can see en, okay, and again there's en. So few of the sentences you'll see there is nothing, only no messy is there. So few of the sentences today you're going to see in my video which you'll feel a level a little higher, but yes, we're going to do it together. So like always, I want you to pause this video right now, take out your notebook, note down all these 10 sentences, do it yourself, see how you have attempted the sentences and get back and then play this video again and check your answers. So let's quickly jump into today's video. First part, oui, je mange beaucoup. So this is something that you need to remember. If pronouns are there, you have to give these pronouns a noun according to their usage. Now what does it mean? Yes, I eat it a lot. Okay, I eat it a lot. So en, whenever sentences are there with en, where we write en, which is the preposition in the sentence? Do you remember which is the preposition in the sentence? I've already done from a personal. You can go back and even check those videos. De or any other form of de, très bien. So you need to use de and give this en a noun. Let's see how are we going to do it. Est-ce tu manges des fruits? Est-ce que tu manges des fruits? So we, if I've changed this tu manges and des fruits, I have to replace with en. So je mange beaucoup. Yes, I eat it a lot. Okay, so this is how you do the placement. Next sentence. Cette carte sert à voir des expositions au musée. So what is the usage of this card? It helps to see the exhibitions in the museum. So a is already there and sert is there. So a, what is the usage? À quoi sert cette carte? What does this card do? We have taken because it's already given, and what is the usage? It's à quoi sert. À quoi sert cette carte? So this card is used to see some exhibitions in the museum. Next part, si j'en ai envie. So quelle est la différence? In first part also I have given on, third also on, but what's the difference? The difference is between oui and si. So now we need to make the question in negative. Très bien. So est-ce tu n'as pas envie? Peut-être you can write biscuit. You don't desire some biscuits. You don't need some biscuits. So we've made it in negative. Si j'en ai envie. Yes, I need it. I desire it. Okay. Next, 4. C'est une peinture de Van Gogh. So c'est une peinture. This is something that I've already repeated in one of my videos. If the sentence starts with c'est or ce sont, the question will always be qu'est-ce que c'est or qui est, depending upon the thing or person. Okay, so c'est une peinture de Van Gogh. We're talking about a painting. So our question will be qu'est-ce que c'est. Just give yourself marks. How many parts are correct? How many parts are wrong? Qu'est-ce que c'est. Okay, so what is this? Next part, on doit travailler dur pour réussir dans la vie. We must work hard for succeeding in the life. So this is something which is very important. You can't write why. Pourquoi you can only write if past is given. Here pour is given. So we need to take this pour. Pour and just separate one. Not the joint one. The joint one is why. The separate one is for what. And just do the inversion. Pourquoi, for what? Doit-on travailler dur? For what is the reason that we must work hard? So I hope till now all 5 parts are correct for you. 6th part. Je parlais de cette fille. Okay, so I spoke about this girl. The is given. We take the. Whichever preposition is given, just take that. Talking about person. So the qui. Do the inversion. Je parlais. De qui as-tu parlé? Okay. Next one is no merci. No thank you. So you can fill it anything. Est-ce que tu voudrais du café? Would you like to have some coffee? Okay. Or you can even do inversion. Veux-tu? I was using conditionnel, but you can even use présent. Veux-tu du café? You want coffee? No merci. Next one. Cette écharpe est en coton. Okay, so whenever it's fabric or material, the question is always en quoi. En quoi cette écharpe est-elle? Whenever nouns are given, just give those nouns a subject pronoun. Okay, that's why I've given écharpe a subject pronoun which is elle. Parce que c'est féminin. Last one, now parce que is there. Parce que mon vélo est en panne. Okay, because my cycle was not working. Okay. Pourquoi? Now parce que is given, so you're going to use pourquoi. Pourquoi tu arrives? It can be anything. Tu arrives en retard. So pourquoi tu arrives en retard? Why have you come late? Parce que mon vélo est en panne. La dernière phrase, the last sentence. Oui, je peux te conduire à l'aéroport. Okay, yes, I can. These are very, very important. Do remember to change them. Je peux te conduire à l'aéroport. Est-ce que is given. I can drop you. So, est-ce que tu peux me conduire? Tu peux me conduire à l'aéroport. So this is very important. You need to change this as tu peux me conduire à l'aéroport. Can you drop me to airport? Te becomes me. Very, very important to change. So now do check your score after this. Put it down in the comment section. I would love to see your score. And if you need the notes of any of the topic, put it down in the comment section or any practice worksheet. I'll be more than happy to help. Au revoir. I'm going to see you in the next video.